into your PowerPoint presentations. There's a couple different ways you can do it. I find that this is the easiest way though. So I open the internet browser and I type in whatever picture I want. So if I'm doing um, a science lesson on animals, I might just type in animals and then click on images and find a picture I like. You can be as specific or as broad as you want with that search and just kind of go from there. So from there, I just click on the picture that I like, and then I right click and copy image, and then I just come back into PowerPoint, and you can either just paste it in as a picture that you can resize and move around your slide, or if you would like to make it your background, you can click on Design, Format Background, Picture, and then from Clipboard, you copied it to the clipboard. So if you click Clipboard, it adds it as the background to all of your slides. And if you want it to be applied to all of your slides, whatever that background is, you can just click Apply to All, and then every new slide that you open will have that same background. Something that I find helpful is changing the transparency when I have a picture for the background. If you just slide this slider and make it more transparent, kind of takes more of a background effect. And then you can do apply to all again, and they'll all be faded. Sometimes I'll fade all of them, but keep the first one nice and bright. Totally up to you, but those are just a couple of different ways that you can add backgrounds and pictures. You can also do it from right in PowerPoint. You click Insert and then click Online Pictures. It will search through Bing. There are a lot of really good pictures in here too. It's not my favorite search engine, but it works really well too. And you can do it the same way. So you just type whatever it is in the search bar, and then it'll bring up a whole bunch of different pictures. And then you can just click on it and click Insert, and it'll drop it in as a picture that you can then resize and move about. With that picture. And that happens with the Bing search sometimes when you do it from in here, which is one of the reasons that I don't love to insert them from there. Let's try this one. There we go. So whenever you do that, it just drops it in, and you can resize it. And there's always a second box that comes in when you do it that way that gives credit to wherever the picture came from. So sometimes that's helpful as well, depending on what you're doing. Hope that helps.